What's up, girls? Jane, hey, what we doing?
Check up here shit.
You know what it is. It's sausage night. Cook a sausage. The 3rd, 4th of July. Sausage cook. There goes the food. What's that?
It's my bougie little stickers.
Okay. Look it up. Oh, we got some distance on that one.
Brand new.
Brand new.
I got hiccups.
Brand new. One for me, one for you. Oh, look at that fire.
I don't work out.
Get it. Damn, look at the fire. Blazing. Making a lot of faces. Yeah, like that's your first time doing that.
It is. I normally drink juice.
Oh, okay.
But you wanted a wine.
Grape juice.
So I'm opening a wine for you.
Grape juice. Yeah. Oops. What is that?
Swirl it, twirl it.
Swirl it, twirl it, curl it.
Did you taste it yet?
Waiting on you.
Swirl it,
Swirl it,
twirl it, smell it.
smell it. Don't go tell it.
You like it? Oh. You find your glasses?
Yep.
Like your favorite. Oh, see, I'm glad I put the board
Yeah.
with your two-faced.
Oh yeah. Ready to go. I like. Ooh, ooh. Hey. Perfect. Hey, Blaster.
Hello, here we go again.
Here we go again.
Here we go again.
That's right. Some sausages, Czech style.
That's right.
Yep. Speaking of Czech, we were there what, a month ago? What was your favorite? What was your highlight of going home this time? Back to Europe.
Pastry.
Since you're a European.
And mom, see Mama Blasta.
So Mamko.
Yeah. A potom ještě tu arašidová roláda, taky 2. A ještě ta čokoládová palačka.
You're a European.
And mom, see Mama Blasta.
So Mamko.
Eating pastries.
Eating pastries.
And see my cousin.
Yep, so you go. Yeah. Cousins. Yep, so your cousin Martina.
And having you there.
Yes.
We're going to the city, to city center.
City center.
We're gonna go shopping for some shoes
Okay.
and clothes.
And cry the blues. Yes. It gets better every time.
Better.
Yep.
Yep.
I think the best part for me was going to Austria.
Yeah.
Okay, what was your favorite part about Austria?
My favorite part of going to Europe was going to Austria. Arnold Schwarzenegger's hometown. Vienna, Austria.
Vienna.
Vienna. Vienna,
And
Austria. The whole landscape is different. The architect, the buildings, and everything was different. Looks like a Batman movie. It looks like Batman. Batman might drop out of the sky at any point. Yeah.
that's where all the horse carriages are.
Yep. That's what it looks like.
What was interesting in Vienna?
All
You
the
you took a train too, right? A
train
subway.
would be- yeah, sure did.
See, I figured it out. Look, this is where we are,
Yep.
and it's telling you that.
Took a train, so lots of a whole line of horses, probably 60, 70 horses and buggies lined up.
Yep.
To take people on
Take
little
tourists out.
tours. Yeah, take the tourists around. I don't know.
That's it.
Germany was good.
Yeah.
Germany was a good hike.
Village.
Lame ass bullshit. What did I say? Sashishi? Shishmas. Oh, I see National Park.
And
Sashishi,
Schweiz.
Sashishe, Schweiz. Schweiz.
Is the same side as over there. We have Český, Švýcarsko,
And
takové
Martin.
německý. To máš to jich švéšiše.
Shit. Where y'all gotta put all that shit and shit on that on shit?
That's German.
That's Germans? Okay.
Švéšiše.
Y'all put the in Czech.
Czech.
Y'all put the on shit. Grr. Y'all gotta growl and shit. Grr. 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 Say some shit when you growl. Tell me where up.
In Germany?
The village in Germany was good, and hiking in Germany in the national park
Oh, okay.
in Germany. And they had sausages too.
That's right.
Yeah,
And they
and
were
sausages and-
grilling them out there.
Damn it, drinking damn beer, and I don't like drink beer. And I drink too much.
Na zdraví, bratře.
I'll get you out of it then. Damn.
And yeah, you sure did. Every day, almost.
Drinking damn beer every day.
I bought a bottle of tequila, didn't even touch it.
I did?
No, you didn't even touch it. You had a tequila shot one time.
Oh, yeah.
and then
that's right.
afterwards you were just drinking
You're
beer.
right, because I brought it back. And
Yep.
I've been drinking it since I've been back. Yep.
And then eating Czech breakfast with the Czech bread, like we have.
Eat Czech breakfast every
How is it?
day.
Like
Cheeses. That's what it looks like.
With meats and
With
cheeses.
meats and salami.
Yep. We need some
Every-
more wood. Okay.
Yep.
this is-
Get some wood. Funny. Got wood. Got wood. Fire again.
Oh, your seat's gonna push that. You put it too high. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna fuck it up. Broke my seat. Now
Uh-oh.
you're gonna break my wine shoe.
So you didn't tell me your highlight of traveling to Europe, did you?
I said Mama Blast.
Oh yeah, Mama Blaster.
A nemačky až do konce.
Go.
Jo? No. A počítej.
Pastry
Mama Blaster raced us in her electric chair.
and having you there.
Yep. And we probably put in an average of 19,000. Well, I did 19 steps a day.
19,000.
Got my bread. Oh yeah. 19,000 steps a day at least.
Yep. And we drove 1,200 miles over the 9 days in the 11 days.
Damn.
Some for nothing.
We're going to Vienna, Austria. Vienna, Austria. Driving from Czech Republic to Vienna, Austria. for my second visit. 1,200 miles in 9 days. Wait a minute, were we there 10 days or 9 days?
9 nights
9 nights, okay.
and 10 days.
In 10 days. Then we,
And how many pounds did you put on?
oh man. I know I came back, I weighed 238.
I lost weight in there.
You sure did, you lost weight. How much you lose?
Still losing it.
From eating pastries
Yeah.
every day?
Yep. I felt light.
Wait a minute, did we really drink every day?
Yeah. Every single day.
Dang.
Daily. Your sausage about to be black.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Don't worry about my sausage. Yeah. Blackened.
And today is July the
5th.
5th.
Day after the 4th of July.
And you missed the fireworks yesterday.
Yep. I ain't see nothing, you?
I heard them.
Yeah, I heard them last night. I didn't see a lot.
I didn't see none, but I heard them.
Yep.
And they were going strong. I think even this morning at like 4 o'clock.
Yeah, that's right. They sure were. I heard them this morning. Still going. Boom, boom, boom. Uh-oh. There you go.
Fireworks.
There you go again. On cue. Somebody's lighting them back up over there. And this is Czech style sausage.
We are mastering this now, right?
Yep. The only thing that we upgraded from the original Czech style is we're using the metal, what you call these things?
Yeah. Pickers or whatever you call it.
Yeah. Tongs, or whatever you call them. I don't know. We were using wood.
Yep.
So we're just going to,
But it was too close to the fire.
too
so
close
now
to
we
the
got
fire. So we had to call Amazon.
Amazon to the rescue.
Amazon to the rescue.
Overnight.
Overnight, baby. Overnight.
Yep.
Got it over there. Okay. Got some
Cheers.
food. Cheers. All right.
The sausage is on fire.
Sausage is
The
on fire.
sausage is
Oh, it's on
burning.
fire. It's burning.
Man, your sausage is black.
Yeah, I like it like
You're
that.
done.
Yeah.
It's gonna be charcoal black. Bowman black.
Bowman blade. Damn, Bowman, you hear that, bro? I didn't say it, Bowman.
You say it without it.
Bohemian black, not Bowman. Bohemian.
Okay.
Because I really think me and Bowman about the same complexion.
Okay.
I do.
Okay.
I might be a little darker than him.
So why you keep saying Bowman black?
You just said it. You just said it.
But you came up with it.
No, 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 Oh, no.
I'm good with mine.
Okay.
See?
Yeah. That's good stuff. Yep. Here it is. Dang.
You done yours with yours?
Yep, I'm done.
I get you. Oops.
There it
I
is.
get you a plate.
About to eat it up. Yum, yum. Dang.
Okay, slide it. Let's do one at a time.
Alright.
It is black.
Black.
Oh
There
my
we go.
God.
Love it. Love it. Oh, yeah. You leave it over there. You're going to put it in the sandwich, right? You going to hook it up? Yeah, hook it up.
Why don't you do it?
Hook it up. Hook it up.
Oh, you want it in a sandwich?
We're going to, yeah. In a sandwich. Czech style here. We're going to do it European style.
Well, that's not how you do it.
Oh, it's not?
No, this is Americanized. If you want a European style, this is it right here.
Oh, no.
You just want an American hot dog.
We want American flavor.
How many sauce buns you want?
2.
It's a lot of bread.
Yep, a lot of bread. There you go. Thank you.
Oh, these are not even sliced.
Uh-oh. Break them.
Which way you want it? This way?
Mm-hmm.
You're lucky I just got my new nails.
Yeah.
Because this morning you won't be getting nothing.
Do it.
That's a lot of...
Do it.
I mean, a lot of bread.
Yep. Those are carbs. You need that for energy.
Okay. Well, you definitely need it.
Yeah.
And you still be sleeping at 9 o'clock.
Need that. Okay. Good stuff. Everything.
Like what?
Ketchup.
If I have known that you're gonna do it like this, I could have made you the peppers.
Oh yeah.
What else?
What you got?
Potato salad. You don't bring anything else. Hold it before you're gonna be eating from the floor.
Ah, on the plate. Good stuff. Potato salad, please.
That you're gonna hit the whole tomato too, right?
Yes.
I wanna see that.
Potato salad, please.
That's not Czech either.
Potato salad, please.
That's not Czech either, but
Oh
okay.
yeah. It's Czech made.
This is the American flavor on it.
Okay.
That's good.
One more. Yeah. Yep. Flies coming around. We'll cover that up. Damn.
I have two meats. That's the Czech way right there.
Check way. Thank you. Dome. It's the end of that.
That was like 30 seconds later.
Right,
You
30 seconds.
inhale it.
Time, total time elapsed, 35 seconds. It's gone.
That's about accurate.
Yeah.
Now I get the light brown. Light brown is the same thing like I had.
I like that. Yeah. Damn. Brother.
Right.
Bad dude right there.
I would have got the back of the bacon.
910.
You want to check a pan shit?